how do you edit your landing page on Unsolved? That's what I'm going to show you, sharing my screen. So let's say this is a demo site, but your site will also have something.unsolved.network. You first have to go and visit that URL. Once you've visited the URL, just click login and login. Once you've logged in, it will take you to your feed, right? So this is your feed. It will probably be blank for you. I've just shown you some test use cases here. But to edit, you need to go to the top right. You see the settings icons there. You just need to click the settings icon. That will take you to your dashboard. Now in your dashboard, you just click your landing page and click home page. Home page is the main thing that you need to worry about, not the other ones yet at least. The home page is your master landing page, right? Now all you need to do is you see all of these options. These are exactly the options that are actually seen on your landing page. So you just need to go one by one and edit. Like for example, you want to put a network description. This is a demo network, for example. Right, of course your description will be slightly better than this, but as soon as you click update, you can go and look at how it looks by just going to home. So you go to home, now you see here, this is the demo network, this has shown up. Now the same thing, you again go back to settings, you go back to landing page and home page, and then just edit more things, right? So you can add a WhatsApp number. The second you've added a WhatsApp number, go back there and see how it looks. Right, that's the essential bit. As soon as you've done this, for example, you go here and now you have this WhatsApp us component. So you can easily make changes and go back and see how it looks, and this is how you edit your landing page. The other landing pages that you see over here can also be edited, but they are not the individual content. It's the main purpose of these landing pages. Like if you have a WhatsApp page, it's about adding a WhatsApp group link. There's a schedule call page, then that's the objective. If there's a demo session, then there's a link to register for the demo session, etc, etc. So the main thing that you need to edit is the home page. As long as you've edited all of these sections, it will start showing up in the other pages as well. That's it from me, signing off. Happy editing.